Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to introduce you to the newest member of the Kelly family, which is a backpack. You guys know I'm usually a roller girl, but I do love backpacks a lot. And when I do backpacks, it's because I'm going to do one bag travel, just like what I did in Europe all summer. And I think this backpack is like the backpack, or at least I'm hoping so. I have been searching for a new backpack for a little bit now, simply just because my favorite backpack is not always available and I'm not really sure what's going on with it. So when Knack Bags reached out to me and wanted me to pick a bag of my choice and review it, I was so excited to find a large bag to maybe replace the one that I have been using a lot that isn't always readily available to you guys. Now, the idea of Knack Bags is based on one bag travel, which I absolutely love. You want to have a little bit of your clothes and toiletries, but then you want to have, you know, your laptop or your camera, whatever you need. And specifically even for business trips as well. I think that this bag could be absolutely great for people traveling for work. So enough talking, let's go ahead and check it out. This is the Series 1 Expandable Knack Pack in Seville Gray. So it does come in this, which is really great for storage. There! Like I said, this is the color Seville Gray, and I like it because I don't like a black backpack. I think everybody has a black backpack. I was drawn to the Series 1 as opposed to the Series 2 simply because of these really cool zippers on the front. It just kind of gives it a unique look. The Series 2 just kind of seemed empty in the front, and I love my organization pockets. I absolutely live for it. Now, this is a 30-liter bag, but it does expand and can get up to 46 liters. But you can't even really tell that it expands because there's actually a hidden zipper, which is really nice. Now, this bag does retail for $265, which I know it kind of seems like a lot. However, I really think it is right in the margins of what people pay for a travel backpack right now anyway. If you need something that is really good for a lot of your gear and to still pack clothes. Also, I can already tell on the back here that this is very good and ergonomic for your back and has a lot of support, and the organization inside seems like it is going to blow me away. So let's go ahead and size it out first. I know what the measurements online said, but I do want to really make sure that that is true. So 21 inches by 14 inches. And the depth is about 4.5 when it's not expanded. So with that being said, 21 by 14 by 4.5, this will be carry-on size. Could it fit under the seat? Probably. This is not going to be a personal item. You would need to get the smaller size Knack bag and not the large. Even the medium, I don't think really counts as a personal item. Normally a personal item size is about 16 inches. So, you know, a little bit shorter. I do want to see what this looks like up against a carry-on suitcase. This is my July suitcase, which is a really good like international standard size carry-on. And you can see it's actually a little bit shorter. Yeah, that's very interesting. Okay, so let's get into the bag a little bit. Let's start with the front. I do want to mention that this whole bag is waterproof, because traveling with a backpack and getting caught in the rain with it being a fabric is not always great, but with this one you do not have to worry. I should also mention too that this back has a trolley pass-through so that you can slide it under luggage. See? It's not a magic trick. I also need to mention that the zippers are all YKK, which is so nice. Those are the best zippers that you can have on luggage or backpack. I know I was traveling with my base backpack last week and the zipper almost busted at the seams, you guys, and I was so nervous that I was going to have to buy a new backpack in the middle of my trip. So any backpack or luggage that has YKK zippers are going to be your best friend. Trust me on it. We do have these little zippers here, like I said, a little sneaky pocket, and that's how I was drawn to it. And it does open up like this, where it's just a little bit of easy access. And I do kind of look at the orange. I think it's so cool. Look at all of the room that's inside here. I love organizational pockets, you guys. It makes me so happy. When I travel, everything needs a place. And this is actually quite deep. I mean, this is a lot of space down here. So first you have this little mesh pocket right here that you could fit whatever you need in for easy access. You do have this nice little fleece pocket in here that could probably be good for anything that you need protection. So maybe a tablet or a phone or external hard drives. And then we have another mesh zipper here. And this is, I don't know, part for the strap. Let's go ahead and take it off and we'll figure that out when we come back to it. And then there is a key leash so that you can put your keys on here, which is very convenient. So love, love, love this organization. I think it is awesome. Now there is also this padded pocket up front here, and this would be really good for sunglasses, maybe anything that you need really easy access to but want to take advantage of the fleece padding. Then also on the front we have this little pocket underneath that has actually these little elastic loops here that are meant for your chargers. Continuing on the outside, we do have this little hidden water bottle pocket, which is kind of nice because you want water while you travel, but you don't necessarily want to look like a backpacker. And then in the very back here, there is a little hidden laptop sleeve, and this can fit up to a 17-inch laptop, you guys. But it just opens up, and that's where you can slide your laptop, and it is really nice and padded. Not only does it have the padding for the laptop, but then for your back as well. So it's going to feel good when you are carrying it. Now these straps can also come off and get tucked in here. So I really love when there is that feature. Now I love, 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 love when backpacks open like a suitcase. And I hate top loader backpacks. So when a backpack can do this, I am so happy. Here we are. This is a nice little mesh compartment for you to keep whatever you need. And then on this side, you have compression, which I love. You guys know that that's one of my favorite features on suitcases, and it is mesh. So it just opens up, you pack everything that you want in here and then compress it down. Now by itself, this is really only maybe 2 inches or so, but then when we expand it, you'll see how much room it actually has. And I want to show you how discreet this expandable part is, which is really cool. I have to even find it. Hold on. So this little flap right here, it actually comes open. And then on the very bottom here is the zipper to expand it. And this is how much bigger that it can get. And then you can see now how much room and how much depth you actually have in there. Let's measure it real quick. Yeah, so we actually have 4 inches in there now. So what I would like to do is put in a medium-sized packing cube. Now, Knack Bags do sell their own packing cubes. However, I didn't get them this time, but I will leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my normal medium-sized packing cube that I bring on every trip with me. This is when it's expanded. More than enough room. I could totally pack way more. I think, honestly, I could put this packing cube in without it expanded. Let's try. Yeah, it's just kind of like almost like a compression at that point. Yeah. This has just my medium-sized packing cube in it, and look at how skinny. Now with the little strap I found earlier, I want to say it probably goes on here as a chest strap. There we go. Just like that. Let's go ahead and try this on and show you guys how it looks on me. For reference, I am 5'10". I love how this looks on here too. It almost looks like abs, which I don't have. there you go. Oh, this does feel very nice. You can tell that it's very sturdy and very good for your back and nice and padded. Now, I don't necessarily want to do a comparison in this video because I believe that this Knack Pack deserves its own video, but I do really quick want to put it up against the eBags Motherload backpack because I have talked about that bag so much on this channel, but I just want to see how they compare. So it is definitely a little bit shorter, and this one is definitely wider, can still expand. So at first I was thinking, well, this one is so much bigger and can carry more, so like that is probably the better bag. However, when this baby is full and expanded, it is heavy. It is so heavy. But if this one is a little bit smaller, then it's probably going to be a little bit more comfortable to travel with. This one is kind of comparable, but it doesn't have the padding or anything that this has. If you guys want me to do a video comparing these two, I absolutely will. Just let me know down in the comments. I will be traveling with it in early January when I go to South America. I will be doing one bag travel. I'm so excited to use it and see how it holds up. And honestly, in the meantime, this would be really good to even take to the gym, to take to work when I bring my laptop, when I'm on the go, vlogging here and there and not necessarily here in my studio, because it's small enough to really be everyday wear. We don't just have to bring this guy when we travel. We can bring him to a lot of different places. I think that this could be a great backpack for your life. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my Expandable Knack Pack Series 1 Large. And I hope you're interested in getting one for yourself. I will see you guys next time. Bye.